Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So let's start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought the detailed study of modern periodic table. So as you can see here, I have made the infrastructure of periodic table. I have made 7 periods and 18 groups. So first of all, what we have to do today, whatever the tricks I have taught in the previous session, with the help of this trick, we will try to fill all the elements in the periodic table within 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, let's start to do it. So as I have written there, group 1 and 2 comes in the S block. So we will start from the S block. So that trick is to be Hai, Laila, Ne, Ki, Rab, Se, Faryad. Next is to be Bechare, मजनू का सर बड़ा रंगीला. Okay, let's come on group 13. So group 13, it is to be of Ba Al Ganesh in Thailand. Okay, next is to be Ka Sai जी ने सेंट प्रभात पर डाला. ना पकड़ो ऐसे सब बीमार हैं. उ स से टी पो फ सल भर आई आटे की. हीना नीना और करीना के ज़ेरॉक्स रंगीन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन द डी ब्लॉक. सक ती वी कर मन फी को नी कु जन. सक ये ला ऐसे टी ज़र हाफ रफ. वी नब टा दब. सियार म्याऊ डब्लू संग. मन टक रे भाई. फी रू ओज हस. को रिही अर मत कर. नी पड पट दस. क्यों आगे आऊँ रोज. आरजी फॉर रॉन्टेजेनियम. जनता सीधी हैगी. So let's complete it. D block. So let's start the F block. So as we know that the lanthanoid series that starts from cerium. So सीने पर नदियाँ प्रेम की समाई. So that is to be SM. EU U. EU is to be written. यूं गद तब ढाए हो. अरे तुम, this is ER. okay, अरे तुम यब लू हो. now थोड़ा पानी उसने नापा पिया. आसमान. आसमान it is to be written for AM. सिमटा CM. बिजली BK. CF साफ हुई. एहसान ES. फरामोश this is for FM. फरामोश. मदहोश MD. निकली NO. लड़की this is for LR. so as you have observed, within 3 to 4 minutes we have completed this periodic table. okay, so I hope this trick will help you in the future also. okay, now let's talk about the some other properties of periodic table. If we will see here in the periodic table, there are 11 gases. So what are these 11 gases? I am marking here: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. So there are total 11 gases in the periodic table, and these are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 gases completed. Here we have to understand one non-metal that occurs in a liquid form, that is bromine. It occurs in a liquid form. One metal that occurs in a liquid form, this is of mercury. okay, now as well you have to understand a few more important points about it. Now group 6, as you will see, I am highlighting this group 6. all the elements present in group 6 that act as catalytic group. So we will write there group 6 act as catalytic group. All the elements present in this group act as catalyst. These are chromium, molybdenum, tungsten. Okay, now let's talk about group 11. So if you will see here, all the elements present in group 11, these are copper, silver, gold and roentgenium. So this we call it, this is coinage group. These elements are to be used to make coins. Okay. Now group 12, it is to be considered as a non-transition. That you have to understand. Actually all the D block elements are to be known as transition. That we will discuss also, why do we call them transition element, that you have to understand. But the group 12 comes in the D block, but still it is to be considered as a non-transition because the reason it is containing D10 configuration. I will explain once again also. Okay. Now after that, the understanding point for you, that is to be the element Mn, it shows the oxidation state +2 to +7, means it has the capability to show the maximum variation in its oxidation state. Now next element OS, this is the osmium, it shows +8 oxidation state. It is only the element in the periodic table which shows the highest oxidation state. This is of osmium. This is highest oxidation state. Now you have to understand in lanthanides, if we will talk about lanthanides, in lanthanides only PM, promethium is the element which is radioactive, that you have to understand. But all actinides all are radioactive. So now you see here I am highlighting. Promethium is the element in the lanthanide series. This is only radioactive, while all the actinides are radioactive. Radioactive elements, they have very short half-life and their study is very tough also. Okay, that you have to understand. One more understanding point, all the lanthanides and actinides, they have been separated from the group 3. Lanthanides have been separated from lanthanum and actinides have been separated from the actinum. Okay, so these elements are to be known as F block elements also, F block elements, or we call them rare earth element. Rare earth element, why we call them? Because these are rarely found in earth. That is a very important point which you have to understand. Okay, now next I am telling you what are the semi-metals here. If you will see here, so I am highlighting that part of, for the semi-metal it is to be that portion. I am telling the trick also, Bole, Sai, G, SA, AS, Sub, T, Po. So that zigzag line, Bole, Sai, G, SA, Sub, T, Po, this shows that all the elements, they shows both the nature of metal and the non-metal, so that they comes in the category of semi-metal or the metallites. Okay, so I think you all have got it, what I have taught in the explanation of the periodic table. Okay, that's all for today's session, and rest properties in detail we will discuss in the next lecture. That's all.